All right, so next day here, and this is what I was able to do on the driver's side sail. That from this, and the other one very similar. It had this black epoxy, plastic epoxy of sorts, which I was able to meticulously take it off. First by scraping it off with that's not it, with a razor, going through it. And this is a two-part, Fosgates are two-part sets, so it's this casing and then this front casing. All I have to do is pry this up and then push it out. And then I'm able to put the new tweeter within this housing and this clamp in front of it, so it goes flush. And then this, with this, I'm not sure where this, it's a machine screw of some sort. I don't know what size it is, but it comes with the set. And that's pretty much what I have to do now. Now I have a bigger problem than this. I thought this was going to be the biggest hurdle, but these small speakers here in his car fit just about right. So R165-S, right? And that's because it's a 6.5. And I was trying to put this one in, and the basket is too big. Yay, I was thinking the 9th gen Accord is about the same as the 8th gen, but it's not. This is actually a 1/4 inch bigger. So we're gonna have to figure out what we're gonna do there. If I'm able to make a ring, or I'm gonna have to buy a spacer, I don't know, but I have to get this done by tomorrow. So we're gonna first work on this because he wants these. So these are way better tweeters than the primes. Guys, go punch instead of prime, just because of the tweeters. They're very bright, but God, I love the highs on these. I won't compare them to my scars because there really isn't a comparison. I like my scars far better than I did the punch, but that's because of the mid-range. The mid-range on the Scar SPX 65Cs are just way better. That's besides point. That's not what we're talking about here. So let's figure out what we're gonna do tomorrow.